Today we are at the home of Christian and Dana Pision in Seminole. We are here to deliver our very first relief check from our People First Recovery Program. Mr. Pision?
Yes, sir.
How are you, sir?
Good.
My name is Brian Scott. I'm chairman of the Pinellas County Commission.
Oh, nice to see you.
This is part of the Pinellas County People First Recovery Program, part of the $813 million that Pinellas County received to recover from last year's storms. And you, my friend, are the very first recipient of this money.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
You are
really
very welcome, sir.
That. Milton hit, and then in the middle of the night, probably like around 10:30, we got like 6 inches of water, so there was flooding through the back, and then we basically had to leave again for like 31 days. So we had to go to a different place to go move in, so we had to pay for a different setup for hotel and stuff like that. So that, and then just the stress of having to move the entire family and have food at a different place and eat out a lot. So it was definitely a financial strain for sure.
If you are sitting at home wondering whether or not you qualify, my advice is go to recover.pinellas.gov and get the process started. If you're unsure, you can make a phone call, you can send us an email, you can even come down in person. We will make this as quick, as seamless, and as easy as possible.